In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GTA 5 not showing on Steam. If Grand Theft Auto 5 is not appearing when you search for it on Steam, the issue is often related to your store visibility settings, especially the mature content filters. The good news is that this is usually very quick to fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to finding the game without any confusion. First, open Steam and look toward the top area where your account name appears. Click on your account name to open the menu connected to your profile and account settings. This is where Steam keeps several personal preference options, including the ones that can affect which games are visible in the store. Once that menu opens, click on Store Preferences. This section controls how content is shown to you while browsing or searching on Steam. If a game like GTA 5 is not showing up, there's a strong chance that one or more content filters are hiding it from your search results. After that, look for the section called Mature Content Preferences. This is the part that determines whether Steam shows games with mature themes, violence, aside, adult content, or other restricted categories. Since GTA 5 falls into mature rated content, these settings can directly affect whether the game appears in the Steam store at all. In the Mature Content Preferences section, check all the boxes. Make sure every relevant content visibility option is enabled. This tells Steam that you want mature titles to be included in your browsing and search results. If any of these boxes are left unchecked, Steam may continue filtering out GTA 5, even if you type the exact game name into the search bar. Once you've updated those settings, go back to the Steam search and try searching for GTA 5 again. In most cases, the game should now appear normally. If it doesn't show up immediately, give Steam a moment to refresh, or repeat the search once more to make sure the new preferences have been applied. This is a simple fix, but it's easy to overlook because many people don't realize Steam's content filters can completely hide certain games from search results. So if GTA 5 seems missing, your mature content settings are one of the first things you should check. That's it for this tutorial. After enabling those store preference options, you should be able to find GTA 5 on Steam again.